Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and have you seen the new packaging? So it's kind of a little difficult to get used to at first, but I wanted to show you that you can make these. So when you have these guys and they're not in a package, you have to keep them on here, right? But you don't know exactly where they go. So what you can do is just take your permanent marker, and what you're going to do is, before you take them all out, you're going to outline the shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just outline the shape so you kind of know where it's going to go back to, because trying to fit these back in when you're using more than just the one is going to be a little bit difficult. So you could also take the whole thing out and ink it with some permanent ink and stamp it as well if you want to do that. But you really only need the outlines. If you want to be able to see the words, then you might want to ink the whole thing up. But I just use the cover for the words, and then I just look kind of what shape it's in, and I'll show you. You could see how fast I'm doing this. Not even anything, like just kind of close, so you know where the piece goes. Otherwise, trying to fit it back in there after you've taken a couple out, especially since these work so well together, you know, for the inside of the card and the outside greeting, you're going to be using just a couple of them. So once you get a couple out, or maybe you do a couple cards or anything like that, you don't know exactly how they're going to fit back in there. So I don't know, have you ran into that issue? Let me know in the comments if you've run into that issue before. I know I have run into that issue with stamps and dies. You could also use the words, but once you turn it over and you have like a white background, you'll be able to see those words anyways. Like this one starts with peace, praying, always, sending love. This one says I'm here for you. And then this one I see thoughts. So I don't know exactly what it says, but I just go over here. I look for thoughts, and it says keeping you in my thoughts. Then I can see that that is that one. So it helps. I hope you like this tip. I wish I could tell you where I learned it from, because I did learn it from another demonstrator, but I don't know who. So if this is you, please feel free to let me know that you had done a video on this and I watched it. So I just wanted to let my stampers know how to do this as well. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you later. Bye!